He said he loved her smile, and right then, she flashed it. He bought a shot after shot after shot after shot of alcohol, and then she flashed it. He began to lust at her bust. She busted him, but guess what? She flashed it. She took his phone, saved her number on it, and then she flashed it. All was moving really fast, like someone had flashed it, cause in no time she became the port for his flash disc. It was all illusion like a camera with no film, but then he flashed it. Her memory took her mind back like it flashed it. Flashback of the sex, took the test and then she flashed it. Said she couldn't keep no baby, so she flashed it. Her spirit stood pale like the sun had flashed it. All because on the first date, the brother smashed it. Now there's a cringe every time the sister sees the Caesars. It's like seizures seize her, costs more than what she sees as Caesars. She's trying to exhale, but the seas just seize her. She's drowning in inadequacies that sleaze and tease her. So please listen, preachers and teachers. Not even shallow priests can adequately reach us or teach us, cause deceit just lingers and leaves us vulnerable. The pressures of figures and figures, the fingers to triggers of our spiritual stick ups for decamps, from the king's camp to his camp. Craving for when our every breath hiccups like hiccups. And that's why I write, we need to put pressure on our kneecaps in caps lock, cause we need to be still there like tree stumps in his thumbs. But the beast wants the distance, offering assistance to the least ones, the sisters, the system. This is them, this system. So the obsession, the mere thrill and skill of the games we play, let's trash them, let's smash them, let's crush them, and let's flash them. So let me say that I'm amazed at a sight to behold and gaze at. So-called great flats, seemingly brave cats, swimming in fake guts, burnt up like trade dust. The stray darts we throw break hearts and cause grave hearts. Yet we still want applause for our labor like it's May 1st. So I choose to pray fast, and I possibly may fast, cause the pain we've caused can't be hushed for life. So I tender my apology and I flush my pride. My prayer of God's tangible loves upon you, ladies who may have fallen victim to the wrong dude, holding on to what you thought was strong, true and noble. Guys, quit living a page at a time. Life is not a novel. You need to think through the repercussions of your actions, cause there's more to the game than your ego satisfaction. So flash it.